can I get an avocado toast and an apple juice? That's it. Y'all, I'm looking really rough, but I'm about to get my hair done. I'm literally sitting outside right now. But I went to Dunkin', got an avocado toast. Y'all, this toast is so good. Let's get an apple juice. I'm about to go in like in 10 minutes, so. This is the first video with my camera. Okay guys, so it's, what time is it?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. I'm with Donye, obviously. Okay, show your face on the camera. We're going to Topgolf. We're following my mom. My mom and my sister and my brother are going. So I'll see you guys when we get there.
It looks the same.
Okay, we are who?
Where's your mask?
My pocket. How do you feel about this
Okay, a
camera?
little fake edge done.
Yeah, what was that? First of all, I can't even go.
So I'm the new KSI, but the girl version. And you can be Deji. Why do I? What? I'm saying that because you lose the fight. Deji's not even fat. He just has a stomach.
Okay.
Okay, here's Top Gun.
Yeah, the second one.
Ooh, okay. Hey,
Put me in or no?
it's 5 for one bag, yeah.
Come on, be serious.
They can leave.
I don't know.
They choose. They don't have. Hey, where do you want to sit? Where's your phone?
I don't know, right here. I've never been here just like you.
Can you sit here? I don't know. Okay, on my food, I just got a chicken sandwich with fries. I don't know why the fuck is pickles in here.
They look like a Hardee's chicken sandwich.
But it's too fresh. I hope it's not steaming hot. She got chicken tenders like a baby. They didn't get their food yet. I don't know why. Didn't y'all get chicken tenders? Okay, I'm gonna come back after you guys eat and then get a review. But what is this? Tell us what this is.
This is nachos.
Oh, I don't nachos. Some like look at that small little
Avocado.
Okay, Mason, tell us what those are.
Chicken strips and fries.
You can take your mask off when you eat.
Listen, take your mask.
Okay, guys, so we're done eating. The food was good. I had my chicken sandwich. I ate it all. Very juicy white meat. But yeah, the service was bad. First of all, we didn't even know where to sit. You can sit anywhere, but we didn't know that. We had to stare at people. Just my sister claimed she stared at the lady so hard, but she don't want nobody staring at her though. So the lady finally came over, asked us what we want to drink. We got a drink. Okay, they just texted me saying your bed is almost ready.
The service sucks.
So if you decide to like just eat now,
She has it on camera. She's recording.
the service.
5. Service is 5. I didn't see nobody since we got here.
Y'all, they got bugs in here. I'm about to get it off, but I have to show you guys first what behind the scenes of what Topgolf is really like. Hey guys. We're out of bed. I'm so excited. Yo, what is the song? It's like remember I was in the project.
I'm telling you.
Couldn't even get along.
I was in my car.
I thought that was already red.
I don't.
They're trying to sign in or something. Excited?
Yes. Can we get
What are you watching 13? Well, now you can see all like acne. You can see all double chins and everything. All gray hairs. It doesn't matter which one we get?
No.
Are you recording me?
Stay right there. It'll give you the ball. Wavy Club here is this ball. Right here. Nate, don't hold it like that. Don't hold it like that.
I'm trying to see how to
Yes, now this. I just said
with Topgolf?
You lost.
I barely lost, y'all. You got
You
4th.
lost a lot.
The odds were against me.
They were no odds.
And I thought it would be like more packed than it looks packed. But like if you look up there, it's not.
Maybe they're
But
broken.
my mom went to use it. I hope not, this is brand new.
Girl, breaking things break easily.
So what do you rate Topgolf experience?
I rated about an 8.
Topgolf experience.
I rate it a 10. I'll come back here just to be all y'all again.
And that's surprising because Mason doesn't like to do anything. Your experience 7 because I lost. Okay, hopefully this will work, y'all. The guy told me to get this, so I'm gonna stop and get food, and then we're gonna go home and see if this works. So, can I get a small caramel latte, a medium Charlie, avocado toast? Okay, y'all. So I'm with my mom now,
I hope you didn't show them.
and my sister. No, I wasn't filming
Was there
them.
like a whole thing of hair right there out there?
Hey.
Hair. Weave.
So the thing I bought from Walmart, thank goodness it worked, and it was cheaper than the lightning Apple cord that I was gonna initially get. But we're on the way to the mall right now. I think we're gonna find something for Father's Day. I wish we would have left a little bit earlier because I feel like it's gonna be busy, but my mom was too busy booking flights online. I had to help her out, you know, you gotta help out the older people. So
Who's the older people?
Pissy to this road now. Okay, we're at the mall now. I got my Sephora bag. I'm doing a return. Hopefully I could get a new product to review for you guys. I'm trying to do Sunday vlogs, Tuesday clothing haul maybe, Thursdays makeup review. Hopefully, that's kind of like a hard schedule to keep up, but we're gonna try it. So what just happened to you?
Some little child put their gum on the ground. Someone grown and nasty adult. One out of 2. Well, I literally see you through your girl out the window all the time.
Ooh! And
What? I do not.
yes, you do. Not that.
I don't throw it next to someone's car. I throw it in like grass, riding down the highway. Okay, someone
You
might
didn't bring
be
your mask?
walking though.
Oh, you got your mask.
Someone might be walking on the interstate.
We're in Concord Mills right now.
We ain't walking that fast, honestly.
We're up here. She's back there.
Oh, let me pull out the picture.
My mom wants to get a t-shirt made. So here we are. Okay, y'all, so it's like 12:35 a.m. right now. I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I got. So I'm gonna show y'all. Basically, you guys already saw this. This is the thing I'm using to connect my camera to my MacBook so I can edit my videos or whatever. So you just put the SD card in there and it reads it. So that was only like $20. Mom, I'm recording! Oh, that's my family better. Doing too much. At night. My mom's making candles. But okay, so oh yeah, I'm at my mom's house. So first, for the tripod I got, y'all, this tripod was expensive for no reason. This was like $130 something. But I bought it open box, so it's a little bit cheaper. This is what it looks like. I mean, but it's really sturdy. It twists, swivels. You can hit play and all on there. I'll record like from my phone so I can add the clip in there. And then for the actual camera, I got the Sony ZV-1. So I'm liking it. Actually, I've already edited most of my footage and it works pretty well. It has Bluetooth, 4K, microphone jack. Only thing people really didn't like about it is that you can't change the microphone lens or whatever. But I am not like that advanced to be changing lenses and stuff. Like, this length of a lens is good enough for me. I don't really need wide shots or smaller shots, so it works. Okay, from Sephora, I just got one thing so I could do a review on it. So it is just this Glow Recipe watermelon. I'm not gonna talk about it at all actually, because like I said, reviews I'm gonna be doing once a week, so that'll be coming next week. And then I had 500 points, well I had 600 points, and then you can get this free bag from Sephora. Just says Sephora we belong, something beautiful. And I'm just gonna be, you know, if you bring this into Sephora, you get an extra 10 points every time you shop, so you might as well bring that in there. Oh, and from Walmart I got some bathing suits so I can do a haul with it, which will also be coming, but I'm gonna show y'all real quick on the vlog, just real quick. And if you want to see more details, definitely stay tuned. This week it'll be a clothing haul. Each week I'm doing clothing haul, reviews, and vlogs. I'm trying to post 3 times a day, y'all. Not a day, 3 times a week. Okay, and then Father's Day is actually tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging any tomorrow or not, but we went to Bath and Body Works. Most of the stuff is for us. I think we got like 2 things from here for my dad. I don't know. But the Fiji Sunshine Bora Bora, which is the one for me, it's still the semi-annual sale. So we got some stuff. Of course, real good deal. Y'all know the semi-annual sale is usually all good deals. I said I don't know if I'm ending the vlog here or I'm gonna be doing, you know what, I think I'm gonna go early tomorrow because I need to get my dad a card. So I might go to Walgreens or something early in the morning before anybody else gets there and like try to buy a gift card and like a card or something. What's up, y'all? So today's Sunday, last day in the vlog. We're gonna wrap this up today. I'm at Bojangles right now. I got me a little meal because I'm about to go to Target. Today's Father's Day, so we couldn't find yesterday what my dad wanted from the mall, so we're just gonna get him like a gift card, so when the shoes do come back out he's able to get them, and whatever else I can find at Target I'm gonna try to get for him. So I'll see you guys when we get inside the store. They're not even open yet. It's 7:50, and I'm actually in my mom's car, y'all, because yeah, I'm not driving my car right now. Okay, we're in the card section, so looking for that.
This is funny. Target is looking like messy right now. I guess because Father's Day. People came yesterday. How do you guys feel about Native? I've heard bad and good things about it. Hey y'all, I'm gonna do a haul before I end this video. It rained, so ignore my hair. So this is for my dad. I got these 2 peppermint patties, these cupcakes, some grapes. There's red and green in here, and then I got some strawberries. I'm gonna try this Dow antibacterial soap because I've been hearing things about it. Okay, I got these, self-explanatory. And then for dinner tonight, because I'm with my mom and my family, that's just a tablecloth, a card, a bag to put my dad's gifts in, these nails. The vlog is now over, guys. I'm gonna continue vlogging the rest of today, and that will be on next vlog. And thanks so much for watching. If you made it this far, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and